I'll be alright.
You many ants and many insecticide. Come here. You stand up. Tom, go inside your house. Yeah, hey Renata, you come here. Renata said, stand up, go home. In your house, many grasshopper insecticide there. It goes to your ears. Yes.